Hey everyone, I'm Sogan, I'm a character designer, and today you're coming along with me for a full day as an illustrator. So, welcome to this vlog. My mornings always start with tea. I'm Persian, so tea is a big part of who I am. We really care about having a good cup of tea and, of course, a good breakfast. Around 8:30, I sit down to eat and I usually watch a YouTube video. Nothing fancy, just something calm to ease into the day. Then it's time to get to work. I open up my planner and take a look at what I wrote down the night before. I see what feels good to start with and go from there. And usually that means Instagram first. Instagram is where I share mini tutorials, works in progress, and my finished illustrations. And today I'm editing a few reels from my last YouTube video and posting them on Instagram. Nothing fancy, just showing up, sharing a little, and saying hi. After that, I need a break from a screen. There is a park really close to our house, so honestly, I have zero excuse not to go for a walk. Even just 10 minutes is enough to breathe and get a little sun. When I'm back, it's almost lunchtime. I give myself about a 30-minute break to eat and rest. And of course, I watch Friends. I love them. I'm a huge fan, no matter what. And then I make more tea. Of course, I head back to my little studio with a cup of tea. Now I'm moving on to some YouTube work. YouTube takes a bit more time, but honestly, I really enjoy working on it. And today I'm working on a thumbnail and planning for this video, number 5. And yeah, before recording, I always make plan and I like to write out each step and make little notes just so I don't forget anything important. Now I'm heading over to Patreon. It's a calm little corner where I can take my time editing, planning, making tutorials, sharing my behind the scenes with my amazing supporters. And yeah, today I'm working on a PDF tutorial that I'm gonna share next week. I also want to update my Etsy shop. I've got some new prints, so I'm taking photos and getting them ready to upload. It just feels really good to share my work with people there. After all that, I'm ready to slow down and make something just for me. A few weeks ago, I started an outdoor painting that I didn't get to finish, so today I'm taking a little time to work on it again. I was trying to capture some blossoms inspired by Van Gogh's painting, but with cherry blossoms instead. You know, same vibe, just my own little twist. I don't always finish everything, and that's okay, but every day I show up, make progress, and move forward. Start small, take little steps, and enjoy the process as you go. Thank you so much for hanging out today with me. I hope you got inspired to make something awesome today. I will see you in the next video. Bye!